Welcome to Dylan and with Dylan. Welcome with Dylan with Dylan. Today we're going to make a chaos.
We're gonna make a what?
Chaos.
Volcano.
Volcano.
Yes. So, what should we do first? Scientist Dylan. We have to make the actual volcano, right?
Right.
So let's tell everybody our ingredients first to tell them what we would need, right?
Right.
Right. So you'll need something to actually build the volcano on. And we have kind of like a colander cylinder to actually put the ingredients in and to build our volcano around here so that when it erupts, it will have somewhere to go. We're going to be using some white distilled vinegar. Yes. Yes. And we're going to be using some baking soda. And also, yes, because these are going to act as gas to build up the bubbles to make the lava. Now you can also use food coloring, but we couldn't find any food coloring, but it's definitely cool if you use food coloring, like some red or some orange.
Yes. You don't want food coloring.
Yeah, we didn't have any food coloring. So we're going to make our volcano out of Play-Doh. So we're going to mix, we're going to mix all the Play-Doh up and we're going to mold our volcano over this. And we have our little tubes to measure out stuff and our measuring cup and our dropper. And we'll probably use some dish detergent to kind of slow the process down to make our volcano last longer. So let's go ahead and get started making the actual volcano out of Play-Doh. Yay! You ready to?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's go ahead and take all the Play-Doh out and we're going to mix it all together and we're going to create a volcano around here. But also let's go ahead and put our baking soda in here first. Okay?
Baking soda. Okay.
Okay.
Baking soda.
Okay, so let's go ahead and add our baking soda.
Baking soda.
Now you're gonna take that and you're gonna pour it in here.
No.
I'll tell you when to stop, okay?
Okay.
Okay, that's enough.
No. It's going to.
Right.
And now we start.
Now.
And now we some that one.
We gotta make our volcano first.
Volcano?
Yes, we have to make our volcano. So let's open all of the Play-Doh.
The Play-Doh.
going to put in some dish soap.
Dish soap?
Yes, so squeeze it in.
Okay.
Squeeze it all the way. Squeeze all of it in there.
Now it got that one.
Yes.
It got 2 of those.
Yes, 2 of those. Alright, guys.
Alright.
Be careful, dude.
Okay.
Alright, guys. Here is the vinegar. Alright, Bill. Pour it in there slow. Pour it slow. Pour it in there. There you go. Here we go. Here's our volcano. So when we put the vinegar inside the baking soda, we made gas and bubbles, which that's what that created when you mix those two together. And adding the detergent makes it last longer. So if you don't want to do the detergent, you do not have to. But if you want it to last longer, then just add detergent. Doesn't matter what kind. And yeah. So Dylan, you see? That's how volcanoes erupt. You see, it's still making bubbles. You see, it's still going.
Look, it's making.
Yes.
And that's why it up and down. It looks creepy.
I know. So it's a lot. So don't forget, baking soda and vinegar together creates gas. Yes, creates gas and bubbles. And that's how you get the eruption. Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. So that was a pretty cool science experiment, huh? You see, it's still going. So even if you add a little bit more, and pour it in there now to see if it'll still erupt. Oh, there it goes. And see, it would have been even more cool if we had food coloring, but we didn't find any. So next time we'll have to do food coloring. Wow. Pretty cool, huh? Yay. All right, Dale. So what'd you think about our science experiment today? Was it cool? Did you like it or you didn't like it?
Like it.
You like it?
Yes.
Okay, great. All right. Well, guys, we will see you next time. Dale, do you have anything else to say?
With Dylan.
Dylan with Dylan and science with Dylan, right?
Yes.
All right. So we'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to what?
Subscribe and like.
Yep. Subscribe and like. Great. See you guys next time. Bye.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.